today we donate izihlangu to 5 lower primary schools, namely Iqaqamba, Inzondelelo, Inoxolo, Izwelitsha Primary, Nengqika, in commemoration of 67 minutes of Nelson Mandela Day. So we chose the schools because we thought that they are deserving, and kuba ke mna umuntu uhlala eZwelitsha bendiyibonile imeko yabantwana. So namhlanje besilapha eBaby Swag sivuyisana nabo and handing out the brand new school shoes, as well as providing just a light meal. And obviously we are with Izwelitsha TV, as well as Dr. Sitengo Silungisa, who was our guest speaker, ne Amplifying Voices ibikhona namhlanje phakathi kwethu. So in the future siyabona ukuthi lento yinto edingekayo. So going forward, it is going to be a yearly thing. So every year we are going to be donating not 100 but 200, 300 as so goes forward. We are open to receiving sponsorships because we strictly work with donations. Ne companies is banayo in interest in helping out, and our pages we are available on Facebook. We've got an email address that is valid that you can send us a communication to, because we are also receiving a request from neighboring towns like Opagamisa. But are we doing the initiative with Inyandao? Is it strictly based Ezwelitsha, which is not the case. We are branching into Inyandao, but okwangoku besiyenza apha eZwelitsha. But in the years to come, we are going to be going to the neighboring cities. So thank you so much also to abantu who contributed, donated a pay, and ensured that this campaign was a success. Nangomso, thank you.
All right. Umuntu xa ijongile angakujonga ngathi ulusana, but inhliziyo nento zenzayo singapha. Ingaba le nto isuka phi?
Alright, so in Tsuka, it's from England, back home. So as I mentioned, Bandikulele, we family that aims at giving back. Kulelewe ezon for kumakhulu, where we always had abantu endlini, nasendlini ekhaya, was more or less the same thing. So it's not something foreign Lendians are in the end kulele kuyo.
All right. Ungakhuthaza uthini ngabantu kule nto yokupha nokuhlonipha konke nje?
I would just say to abantu that are capable in terms of helping, just start with what you have. You don't need to have everything figured out. As bonakala as time goes. So if you feel like you could make a difference in someone's life, a pair of shoes is more than enough. Stationery is more than enough, because we are in need and the government is not really supporting us. So if they are not, and when you have the means to do that and spread awareness, then let's come together and ensure that abantwana bakhoyo abadeservayo bazifumana ezi necessities.
When we were approached by Usimaki, who's leading the Future Foundation, one thing that interested us as Baby Swag is the fact that the project is being led by someone who is very young. We get inspired once into is nomuntu omtsha apha kuthi sithi make sure that we support. So uthe kufikeni kwakhe wangumuntu onomdla, especially xa sibona le program ba into ephuhlisayo, especially xa izodibana nabantwana abancinci, ngoba thina ke apha sidila nabantwana. So sezayilangazelela lonto leyo, saqonda ubana sizamsupport as much as we can, because uze kuthi approach amalunga nevenue. We did try to provide some guidance because we've used to do such engagements. So sibaqhobela izandla abantu abatsha xa beza kwenza into zokumila kunje, xa kuzofika i-date ze-Nelson Mandela, sithi xa benomdla ukwenza into ezinjena nathi sikwazi ufaka isandla. So nakobanye ke abahleliyo sithi ubana if you are thinking of doing similar programs, we are here to support you as a Baby Swag, especially if you are umuntu omtsha. Enkosi kakhulu.